As the title of this video says, this video I'm making to document that you can mirror a inspection routine within Control X. And I must admit, I was today years old when I realized that this was even possible. And somebody on our support team made me aware of it. So I wanted to document it and put it out there as something that can be done. It is um, a workaround type workflow, but it is something that works. So I figured I would load up a file and go from there. So we'll go ahead and load up an automation. Just a second here. So here is an inspection file. You see that I have all kinds of beautiful things here. So we got some dimensions. We'll just leave that one on. So if I needed to mirror this, let's say that across this plane right here and mirror it across that plane, you see all the dimensions are here on this. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and kill the scan data because it's the old scan data that we're going to mirror this whole thing and bring in mirrored scan data. So we'll go ahead and delete that scan data. And just as a little tip here, the data is still up inside of the project in the input folder. So I'll go ahead and get rid of that. Now, here's how you go about doing it. And again, this is not a official workflow, but it is really helpful and time saving. So if I come over to the CAD and I come over to transform body and I click on the body that I would like to transform and hit next, on the method section, you see here that we have rotate, translate, scale, matrix. So if I come over to matrix, under matrix, you have the transformation matrix. You can actually make these ones negative to mirror it in different directions. So if I make this one -1, you see that it mirrors across the coordinate system in the y direction. So if I put that back, we want to go across this direction on that plane here. So let's go to the next one, -1, and that is the 1. And if we hit OK, so now we just mirrored that across in that direction. Now, if I go ahead and bring over my mirrored scans, the other side, you see here's a scan and hit rebuild. Just give her a second. So there we go. Let's just clean up this mess here. So here is that dimensional group. Let's just turn the scan data off and turn the 3D compare. So you see that it does rebuild all the dimensions. And then you can go ahead and save this project. And you have a mirrored inspection. So this is I was today years old when I realized this was even possible. I can't believe it is. And we went ahead and put this as an enhancement request. So thank you for your time.